Hey, what's up everyone? Alex here with ToolRev, and today we are looking at a unique little battery jumper unit from DeWalt. So you put your own DeWalt batteries on this. It'll take 20 volt or 60 volt flex volt batteries. Just a little jump pack that you can use to start your battery if your car dies. This is rated for up to a V8 engine, gas or diesel. So I've been trying it out for the past few days, testing it on my Ram 2500. It's got a 6.7 liter Cummins Turbo Diesel, which is a 6-cylinder engine. It runs on 2 batteries, and this is how it went. We have 11.4 volts. And we have a fully charged 9 amp hour battery. All right. Hook this up. Positive, negative. Turn the battery on. So we got a flashing green light, so we're going to give this some time to charge up the battery. So it's supposed to have a solid green when it's ready to boost. All right, so it took about 5 minutes, but now we have a solid green, and it has taken 1 bar off of this fully charged 9 amp hour battery. So it sucked 1 bar of juice out of that. Let's go ahead and see if it'll start. Nice. All right. This battery barely needed any help to start this truck, so it's not a big accomplishment, but it did work. Now let's disconnect it and see if the truck will start on its own. All right, so this did start the truck when the truck wouldn't start itself. All right, so in conclusion, over a few days of testing this along with some other jumpers, this DeWalt was only able to start the truck just under where it could start itself, which is around 12 volts. So I would not recommend this for dual battery diesels. It seems more suited for single battery cars and light trucks. Just keep in mind, for dead batteries under 2 to 3 volts, this will not turn on. There is no override button to force it on, and I could not figure out any way to trick it on. So the lights work. So this thing's powered, but it's not reading the voltage. So that's it for me, guys. If you get one of these, I hope it works out for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's start it. Let's go ahead and try it again.